Hello everyone. Welcome to Crypto Noob, your go-to channel for all things related to crypto. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to stay updated on our latest content. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of crypto mining. But let's take a step back first. What is cryptocurrency? In the simplest terms, it's a digital or virtual form of currency secured by cryptography. Now on to mining. Picture a gold miner, but in the digital world. Crypto mining is essentially the process of verifying transactions and adding them to the public ledger, known as the blockchain. Just as a gold miner uses tools to extract gold, a crypto miner uses hardware to solve complex mathematical problems. And when these problems are solved, voila! New cryptocurrency is released and added to the blockchain. We're just scratching the surface here. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore how to mine, what hardware you need, mining pools, and the concepts of proof of work and proof of stake. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of crypto mining. First things first, what exactly is crypto mining? To put it simply, cryptocurrency mining, or crypto mining, is a process where transactions for various digital currencies are verified and added to the blockchain digital ledger. It's a bit like a decentralized banking system, where everyone has the power to validate transactions. Now you might be wondering, what's this blockchain we keep talking about? Well, a blockchain is a growing list of records, known as blocks, that are linked using cryptography. Each block contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block, transaction data, and a timestamp. This technology allows digital information to be distributed but not copied, making it the backbone of cryptocurrencies. Crypto mining involves solving complex mathematical problems with cryptographic hash functions. These functions are associated with a block containing the transaction data. When a problem is solved, the miner gets to add the next block to the blockchain and is rewarded with a small amount of cryptocurrency for their work. The process of crypto mining ensures the integrity of the transactions. It prevents double spending, a common issue with digital currencies, where a digital asset can be spent twice. Through mining, transactions are confirmed by a network of nodes or computers, thus preventing this problem. Crypto miners use powerful computers and specialized hardware to generate the enormous computing power required to solve these complex problems. The process is resource-intensive and can consume a lot of electricity. Interestingly, the difficulty of the problems that miners need to solve adjusts automatically. It's made to ensure that the rate of block creation remains steady over time, regardless of the number of miners involved. This adjustment ensures that the system remains fair and that the rewards are distributed proportionately. Now that you know what crypto mining is, let's talk about how to do it. Ready to mine your first cryptocurrency? Here's how you can do it. First, let's talk about hardware. The choice of hardware really depends on the cryptocurrency you want to mine. For instance, Bitcoin mining requires a specialized piece of hardware called an ASIC, or application-specific integrated circuit. On the other hand, for coins like Ethereum, you can use a high-performance GPU, or graphics processing unit. But remember, mining can be power-intensive, so ensure you've got a power supply that can handle the load. Once you've got your hardware, the next step is setting up your mining software. There are various mining programs out there, like CG Miner and BFG Miner, which are command line programs, or Easy Miner, which has a user-friendly graphical interface. They connect your hardware to the blockchain and the mining pool if you're part of one. Now, you'll need a digital wallet to store your mined coins. There are various types of wallets available, like desktop wallets, mobile wallets, and hardware wallets. You can choose one based on your needs. Once you've set up your wallet, you'll need to create a secure password. Don't lose this password, because if you do, you'll lose access to your coins. Now you're almost ready to start mining. But before you do, you'll need to join a mining pool. Mining pools are groups of miners who pool their resources together to mine more efficiently. The rewards are then split amongst the pool members. Some popular pools include Slush Pool, F2 Pool, and Ant Pool. To join a mining pool, you'll need to create an account on the pool's website, and then configure your mining software to connect to your pool. Once that's done, you're ready to start mining. And there you have it. You're all set to mine your first cryptocurrency. Remember, mining can be a complex process, and it may take some time to get the hang of it. But with patience and persistence, you'll soon be on your way to mining success. Now that you've got your mining setup ready, let's learn about mining pools. Mining on your own can be challenging, but mining pools can help. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a mining pool? Well, in the simplest terms, a mining pool is a group of cryptocurrency miners who combine their computational resources over a network. This collaboration allows miners to increase their chances of earning cryptocurrency. Imagine it like a lottery syndicate. If you play the lottery on your own, your chances of winning are pretty slim. But if you join a syndicate where everyone's tickets are pooled together, your probability of winning increases. You might have to share the winnings, but you're far more likely to win something in the first place. The same principle applies to mining pools. By joining one, you're essentially throwing your hat into a ring with many others. When the pool successfully mines a block, the reward is split amongst the participants. The share you receive is proportional to the amount of computational power you contributed. So how do you join a mining pool? It's simpler than you might think. First, you'll need to choose a mining pool that suits your needs. Consider factors like pool size, payout method, fees, and reliability. Once you've chosen a pool, you'll typically need to register on their website. After registration, you'll receive the information necessary to configure your mining software to the pool's servers. Remember, while mining pools can increase your chances of earning cryptocurrency, they aren't a guarantee of profits. The value of cryptocurrency can fluctuate, and the fees charged by some pools can eat into your earnings. It's important to do your research and understand the potential costs and benefits before diving in. Mining pools are a fascinating aspect of the cryptocurrency world. They symbolize the power of collective effort, harnessing the strength of many to achieve a common goal. It's a testament to the innovative and collaborative spirit that's inherent in the world of cryptocurrencies. Now, let's move on to understanding some key concepts. POW and POS. Ever heard of POW and POS in the crypto world? Let's break it down. Proof of work, or POW, and proof of stake, or POS, are consensus algorithms used in blockchain networks. They're like the rules of the game, guiding how new transactions are confirmed and how new blocks are added to the chain. Let's start with proof of work. Imagine a group of miners digging for gold. They're using their resources, time, energy, and equipment to solve complex mathematical problems. The first one who solves the problem gets the gold, or in this case, the cryptocurrency. That's what POW is all about. It's a competition where miners compete to solve a problem, and the one who solves it first adds a new block to the blockchain and gets rewarded. But there's a catch. This process requires a lot of computational power and energy, which can be a downside. Now, let's move to proof of stake. Instead of a race, think of POS as a lottery. But this isn't your traditional lottery. The more coins you hold, the higher your chances of being chosen to validate transactions and earn rewards. In other words, the more stake you have in the network, the more likely you are to be chosen. The beauty of POS is that it's less energy intensive than POW, making it a more environmentally friendly option. There are key differences between the two. While POW relies on resource-intensive mining, POS is based on coin ownership. POW uses a competitive race model, while POS uses a probabilistic model. POW can be more secure but at the cost of high energy consumption, whereas POS is less energy intensive but might be less secure. With that, you're now equipped with the basic knowledge to start your crypto mining journey. Wow, we've covered a lot today. From the basics of what crypto mining is, to the intricate steps on how to mine cryptocurrency, you've journeyed through the backbone of the crypto world. We've explored the importance of mining pools and how they can optimize your mining efficiency, creating an environment where everyone benefits. We've also delved into the concepts of proof of work and proof of stake, understanding how they govern the operations of various cryptocurrencies. Remember, proof of work emphasizes mining power, while proof of stake focuses on the amount of crypto one holds and is willing to stake for the network's operations. With each new crypto adventure, we gain a deeper understanding of this fascinating digital landscape. It's a journey of constant learning and evolution. Together, we'll continue to unravel the mysteries of the crypto universe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone you think might find it useful. See you on the next one.